Dear friends, in this class we shall study about the higher learning technique workshop. Workshop is defined as assembled group of 10 to 25 persons who share a common interest or a problem. They meet together to improve their individual and skill of subject through intensive study, research, practice, and discussion. Workshop is a meeting during which experienced people in responsible position come together with experts and consultants to find solutions for the problem that cropped up in the course of their work and that they have had difficulty in dealing on their own. It is a large group discussion method. What are the essential features of workshop? Let us see. Complete active involvement of the participants. The whole point of attention is to work and to learn from practical experiences. Participants may have to act as group leaders or reporters. Workshop offer each member an opportunity to make his or her own contribution. Let us see the objectives. To use abundance of ideas, to provide means of group study, provides means for cooperation, it provides mature learning environment. Let us see the phases of workshop. There are 3 phases. One is the planning of the workshop. Second one is the presenting the workshop. Third one is the follow-up and evaluation. The working methods of workshop. Free choice of personal objectives. In order to ensure that the workshop fully meets educational needs, invited to select the objectives you wish to reach before the end of the workshop. Preliminary reading assignments, that is orientation of the practical exercises, clarifying the sessions and practical exercises. Group presentation will be there. Next working day, preview will be there. Planning will be there. Individual consultations will be there. Formative evaluation will be done. Pre-test evaluation, day evaluation, questionnaire and long-term evaluation will be included. What are the sources of workshop technique? That let us see. The word workshop has been borrowed from the engineering. There are usually workshops in the engineering. In these workshops, persons have to do some tasks with their hands to produce something. For example, railway workshop, roadways workshop, etc. Under these workshops, railway engines are repaired and manufactured. What are the main objectives of workshops? Let us see. The workshops are organized to realize the following objectives. In the sense, there are 2-3 objectives. They are related to cognitive objectives and the psychomotor objectives. Cognitive objectives for the workshop. The workshops are organized to achieve the cognitive objectives such as to solve the problems of teaching profession, to provide the philosophical and sociological background for instructional and teaching situation, to identify the educational objectives in the present context, to develop an understanding regarding the use of a theme or a problem. Let us see the psychomotor objectives of the workshop. To develop the proficiency for planning and organizing teaching and instructional activities. To develop the skills to perform a task independently. To determine and use of teaching strategies effectively. To train the persons for using different approaches of teaching. What are the techniques used for how to plan the workshop? What is the procedure of this workshop technique? Generally, workshops are organized from 3 to 10 days. 10 days duration. The period of workshop may be, it depends on the theme of the workshop. It depends on the nature of task assigned to the workshop. Usually, we see the organization workshop in 3 stages. One is the first stage, second stage, third stage.